You are going to love the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your